Hey everybody, welcome to Animation Capstone. That's right, welcome to Animation Capstone. We're week 5, almost halfway through the course. A lot of cool things happening. So we're actually starting to add a lot of music transitions and really starting to begin the middle. And I'm not talking about the middle, but like the beginning, the first 30 seconds. That's what's really going to be starting. Because last week we talked about adding music. In the past few ones we've been doing the title cards and the end cards. Now we've been really getting into some of the actual clips this week. And that's going to be really cool. So we're going to start with the first 30 seconds, which are usually like your big bang clips, and that's what's really going to be awesome, like the ones that's going to sell your audience. So let's get into it today. So yeah, we're going to be using Premiere Pro. So if anybody doesn't know already, and from some of the examples we talked about, we're using Premiere. So that's the thing. So we're going to introduce this this week and then get into the first 30 seconds and how we can apply it even further. So the cool thing about Adobe Premiere Pro is you can import footage from any file format and encodes it into its own form, which is pretty cool. You can edit, trim footage with precision, add animation and video effects. You can also edit audio sound effects as well, so it really works great with that. And you can do more with After Effects with Adobe stock stuff, because Adobe comes with a lot of like stock effects and images and a lot of different elements that come with all those things. However, you got to be careful with Premiere Pro. Sometimes you get memory leaks with some of the things if you import a file from Photoshop, so that's something that can happen. You also can have some problems with some QuickTime exports, but it's very rare. And there's also a really rare bug that comes in where the title crawl moves backwards on initial load sometimes, but again, really rare. But most of the time, Premiere Pro is freaking awesome, and that's what's great about it. And you can use it for a lot of different elements. But what I would recommend is check out the Back to Basics tutorials this week in the module lesson plan if you haven't used it yet, or if you haven't used it in a while and it's really going to get you started well. Other than that, that's all I got. Your rubrics 6 weeks are posted. You do have a discussion this week, so keep that in mind. So that's going to be the new initial post on Tuesday, reply post on Saturday, and then lecture on Tuesday as always, and then you have your assignments, and we'll talk about your assignments on Tuesday during lecture. Other than that, that's all I got. So be safe, have fun, enjoy, my friends. Take it easy. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, let me know. But other than that, that's all I got. So hope to see everybody for lecture on Tuesday. That's pretty much it. Take it easy. Have fun. Bye.